Good morning, you guys. Well, we're on the way for another fun day. So come on, let's get this party started. Well, we are on the way. You guys, last night I was so tired when we got in. I crashed like as soon as we got in the hotel, changed my clothes, didn't even wash my face, didn't even brush my teeth, and went right to sleep, exhausted. But I feel a little better today, so come on. We gotta get downtown. That's where we are, stopping off on the way to the convention center. Yes! Got in touch with Paloma over at Coupon to Provide, and she's hooking me up with the best King Dollar in town. So here we go, round two. I have to admit, these stores are way better than Dollar Tree. Might be just enough to make you move to Texas. All right, we got some fun stuff. Finding a lot of stuff for our new jewelry business. And you know what? When you're starting up a business, you got to get things that are affordable, right? No, you don't want too many business expenses. So, yes, I'm very glad that I had a chance to check out this King Dollar. If you're in an area where you have them, go and get you some. Well, look at those ominous clouds rolling in, you guys. I wish that y'all could see back here behind us. Oh no, on the video it's still just looking bright, but they are the darkest clouds I think I have ever seen. This is not a good thing. Let's try it. Woo, you guys see how that wind's kicking up? Look what it's doing to her hair and her outfit. Oh my goodness, the skies are so dark. Oh, but hey, rain or shine, we got to get photo ops, right? Barely made it inside. Man, that is a bad one out there. Woo! Let me show you what's going on. You guys will remember from past years that the kids sit out here and they practice for those performances, getting ready to go in and see some judges. Now, let's go to the art gallery and see if it's open yet where we can see Bub's artwork. Now let's go find that digital photography. Oh, there's a t-shirt. Come over here and do that. Do it. Let me get a picture. Yes. Looks good up there. You find it, Bob? Oh, there it is. Yes. Let me take your picture. Some of these other neat concepts, you guys. These are the 3D art that the kids can build. I love the idea behind that. God's hand holding everything together. This one back here is built entirely of Legos. Isn't that cool? But just some really, really neat stuff. Such incredible talent here. here with the Bubster, and you've got some advice for us, huh?
Yes.
Everywhere we go, people are stopping you because they just love the way you look. I mean, hey, when you got it, you got it.
Got it.
So tell all the peeps how they can take dominance.
Take an alpha position, never take a beta.
And how do they do that?
You gotta walk straight, tall, head up, make eye contact first.
Ah, so we're gonna demonstrate it for you. You ready to show them how it's done?
Sure.
And so that's how it's done, right?
You can't walk like this. You put yourself in a beta.
Oh.
You that's all.
Gotta have confidence.
Exactly.
Or at least fake it.
Fake it.
Fake it till you make it.
Exactly.
And that is Life Tips with Bub. Well, we are a little worn out, you guys. We are taking a break and coming over here to get us some dinner at the Olive Garden. Whew, finally time to get our grub on. So where we at now, guys?
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory.
I don't know where it's at.
Let's go do this. Y'all tired, huh? I can tell. Are you tired too? Let's go do this. What'd you get, Bub?
Oreo.
Oreo. Let's take a look at that. Babe, what's yours?
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel. What's yours?
Dulce de leche.
And you guys know it because you've seen it before. 30th anniversary. Woo! You the man. You the man. So we found this little place, you guys. It's called The Square at Memorial City. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, and out here behind the Cheesecake Factory, there's this little area. It's got turf grass, but look at that huge TV. They're playing a soccer game tonight. See that? Ah, such a cute little area. Code word for today is pendant.